Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Betia's e-learning class of English class 4. So today we are going to do the bookwork of this chapter adjective. As you know, we have already learnt in the earlier video. Now we will do the bookwork of this chapter. A. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. What you have to do, you have to underline the given adjectives in these sentences. For example, question number 1, Snow White was a beautiful girl. So here adjective is beautiful. Likewise, all have been done for you. Now, next one is B. Take a good look at your partner and complete these sentences about him or her. So, you have to take the help of your friend and you have to complete or you have to fill these sentences. I have already done for you. Now, next one is C. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives given below. So, you can see in the box, all the adjectives have been given there. So what you have to do? You have to choose the correct one and fill in their respective fill in the blanks. D. Underline the adjectives in these sentences and circle the noun that they describe. The first one has been done for you. So what you have to do, you have to underline the adjectives in the sentence and circle the noun. For example, the 3 children sat together in the big sofa. So here 3 and big are adjective and children and sofa are nouns. Likewise, all have been done for you. E. Match the pictures with the adjective that go with them. So what you have to do? You have to match the pictures with their adjectives. I have already done for you. Now next one is F. What you have to do? You have to circle the adjectives in this poem and underline the nouns they describe. All I have been done for you. G. Words that have similar meaning are called synonyms. Match the following words in column A with their synonyms in column B. So, what do you mean by synonyms? The word which have a similar meaning is known as synonyms. Like brave is having the similar meaning fearless. Likewise, all have been done for you. Now H. An antonyms is a word that means the opposite of the another word. For example, clever and foolish are antonyms. Circle the adjectives in these sentences. Fill in the blanks with the adjectives that are opposite in meaning. So here, what you have to do first, we have to know what do you mean by antonyms. So antonyms is known as opposite. For example, you can see clever, the opposite of clever is foolish. So what you have to do, you have to circle the adjective and fill the blanks with the adjectives which is given in the box. Now the next one is I. Replace the underlined adjectives and nouns with adjectives and nouns of your own. So what you have to do, you can see the underlined adjectives and nouns. What you have to do, you have to change the adjectives and nouns of your own choice. Like the lazy little dog was fast asleep. Here lazy little dog, here it is underlined. So we have to change it. The energetic cat was fast asleep. Likewise, all have been done for you. Now next one is J. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjective given below. So in the box, all the adjectives have been given. What you have to do, you have to select the correct one and fill in their respective blanks. Now next one, K. Look at the train of the children holding each other's shirt. The letter on the shirt's back is the first letter in that child's name. Fill in the blanks with his or her correct adjective of position. So you can see in the picture all the children are standing, and what you have to do, you have to see the first letter in the child's name and you have to fill it with a correct adjective of their position. Now the next one, L. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from the bracket. Now what you have to do, here in the bracket the adjectives have been given. You have to choose it according to the fill in the blanks. For example, the hero combed dash hair carefully, her or his. So here we are talking about the hero, so it is male. So that is why we will use here his. Likewise, all have been done for you. I hope you understood the book work. Thank you.